Everyone, this is Kijibo Vlog, si Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gagawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation, but wait lang. Gusto ko lang tong i-ano. So basically, may mga nabasa akong comments na about sa si Boots Anson Roa ata, if I'm not mistaken, and sino to? Si Ma'am Chalo Santos are lovers daw sila na may Alzheimer's, if I'm not mistaken. Parang ang ganda ng story nito, no? Anyways, without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
I can write the saddest nights.
Ay!
The night is starry, and the stars are blue and shiver in the distance. The night wind revolves in the sky and sings. Tonight I can write the saddest
Tonight.
nights.
Because tonight will be the night and I will fall for you. Charis!
And sometimes she loved me too. Through nights like this one, I held her in my arms.
Why is
I
it
kissed
her?
her again and again.
I kiss her again and again. I love it.
To hear the immense night, still more immense without her. And the verse falls to the soul like dew to the pasture.
Ay!
What does it matter that my love could not keep her?
Grabe yung depth!
The night is starry, and she is not with me.
Grabe yung depth! Ay! Ay! Ay, ano to? Yung mga projects ng Barda. Pagbabalik ng Pride Time. Barbie Fortesa. David Licaco. Adaptation. Totoo ba to? All-time favorite Pinoy movie. Maging sino ka man. This was before. Throwback lang pala to. Throwback lang pala siya. Ay! Alam mo si Barbie and David sa mga fans nila, so sweet talaga. Pero hindi ko lang gets bakit kayo sumasira kay David. Ay, Christmas party from Bibi. Outdoor event sila. We can start with my family ba? At McDonald's Alex. Chares. Slex. Sinabi ko na yung Alex. Sarap, French fries. Diyos ko, batang bata si Barbie. Pag ang movie, sobrang... Pag ganyan yung ay, ano tawag dyan? Apple cut? Apple cut ata ang tawag dyan, di ba? Okay.
With that, the 2025 season comes to an end. Good.
That's my life. Yes, Barbie Fortesa. Ay, pauwi na si Gino. Ay, wait, can we watch this? Barbie Fortesa through the years? Parang siya si Kylie Alcantara. Magkamukha sila dito ni Kylie Alcantara, right? Mukha sila ni Kylie. Ay, parang siya si Nadine Dulce dyan. Nakadepende talaga sa buhok niya. Ay, ang ganda ng kanta. Rise by Belle. Kay Belle to na kanta. Okay. Ay, hello. I care for her a lot. Doon tayo sa I care for her a lot eh. Alam mo, gusto kong gawa na reaction video yung yung mga interview nila. Anyway. Ay! Grabe, mabilis pala siya tumakbo. Di ba dapat mahina lang yan pag marathon? Kasi mga ka-breathless. Breathless. Hindi pa breathless ka niyan eh.
Restaurant to avail discounts. Again, Himalaya Sports and Himalaya Mahomba.
Okay. Okay, what's next? Ay! Oh my God, bata pa siya dito! Ay, maganda yung boses si Barbie! Oh my God, ang bata niya pa dito! Charis! Ay! Grabe na may mga sigaw. Ay, ito. Let's see it. Barda Secrets Love Story. Tabo! The Barda Secrets Love Story. Para kayo dyan. Basta ako kinikinig ako. Kinikinig ako sa Barda Love Stories. Bakit ba? Okay.
Sometimes you gotta step back.
Ay. Okay. Barbie. Kiss me, party. Let's do party. Ay! Ay. Ang sexy ni Barbie. Ay, hello. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Wala pa tayo sa IG, ha? Diyos ko, ano na kayo mga chismis sa IG story? Gusto ko puntahan yung sa IG. Ay! Barbie poses along Toronto's Gravity Alley. Ay! Hello. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Lipat tayo sa Instagram. This is Kitty Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!